freezing and looking sad, Frank the fridge felt very bad. Stacy's still inside the pantry. It's my fault that she is hungry. Frank the fridge took a deep breath and created another mess. Party started, Steve the Spanish happily shouted. We need the frying pan. Greg the garlic had a plan. Not so quick, Fred the lettuce felt if he had been tricked. Hush! The spinach cut in line in front of Josh, the yellow squash. Stop right there, the angry squash declared. We are going with the chicken first. He zoomed ahead of the waiting fish. This is so funny. Perry jumped in front of Phoebe, the yellow corn who looked so sunny. What's going on inside my belly? Frank the fridge was really worried. Afraid of losing control, he deeply sighed. The yellow corn rolled to the side. She fell inside the ice and almost died. She gave the freezer a nasty glance, and Bob the mushroom saw his chance. I'm going first. He jumped in front of the sleeping fish. Let's go, Stan. He pulled the resting steak. Stacy need a healthy snack. Andy the apple screamed inside his paper bag. The little girl had my life complex. Frank the fridge could not relax. I'm so hungry. Stacy closed the door and hid inside the pantry. End of the story? Maybe not. The girl is still hungry. Story 3 is coming your way. Eat your vegetable and fruit and keep reading. Bye.
Did you read Mrs. D books today? Did you eat your vegetables today? Did you eat